Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring Tock, found at exploretock.com. This platform offers a unique approach to dining reservations, moving beyond the traditional model. Tock allows restaurants to implement various reservation and pre-ordering systems, catering to a wide range of dining experiences, from casual eateries to upscale establishments. This gives restaurants more control over their bookings, allowing them to manage capacity, reduce no-shows, and even pre-sell meals or experiences. One of the standout features of Tock is its flexibility. It can handle everything from simple reservations to complex prepaid ticketing for special events, tasting menus, and even cooking classes. This versatility makes it a powerful tool for restaurants looking to optimize their operations and enhance the guest experience. Think of it as a one-stop shop for managing all types of dining interactions. Beyond reservations, Tock provides restaurants with tools to collect valuable customer data and manage communication. This allows for personalized marketing efforts and helps build stronger customer relationships. By understanding customer preferences and dining history, restaurants can tailor their offerings and promotions for a more targeted approach. This level of data-driven insight can be invaluable for business growth. Furthermore, Tock integrates with various point-of-sale (POS) systems, streamlining operations and providing a more seamless experience for both the restaurant and the diner. This integration simplifies the management of reservations and payments, eliminating manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. For diners, it means a quicker and more efficient reservation process. For diners, Tock offers a convenient and user-friendly platform for discovering and booking dining experiences. The platform's intuitive interface allows users to easily search for restaurants by location, cuisine, and availability. Moreover, Tock's mobile app puts the power of reservation management right at your fingertips. This accessibility enhances the overall dining experience, making it easier than ever to plan and enjoy a memorable meal. So, head over to exploretock.com and see how it can revolutionize your dining experience.